They definitely had some great concerns and ideas and projects and everything they were working on. And that tells me that, Rambos are not available just in movies and stuff. You got Rambos happening in colleges and offices. You got Rambos in workspaces. You got Rambos in various teams, like the government of India and stuff. You got Rambos, also in various forums. You have Rambos anywhere working in your community and stuff like that. So be a Rambo, be a rock star, be a Rambo. And it's not just about discussion, it's also about implementation and stuff. So wherever you can share the idea, please share the idea, go forward. And if it's working well for you, do send me a mail or do send me a message, and I'll be very happy that you like something which I've shared and stuff. And some people have been writing into me and asking me on questions on when are certain projects going to be launched and when are certain shares on startups or complex issues of the country and the world I'm sharing. I'm not in a position to answer all those questions and stuff. So my idea or my thought tells you indirectly through my message that please go and research it. You'll have your own answers. And if you're so interested in information I'm sharing, the best idea is to research it. When you research it, you'll know 10 more things about it and you will not be writing in to me and asking me, okay? So no offense meant to people. I'm not writing back to stuff and all that. It's a calculative decision because I'm in no space to kind of reply to all these messages. So humble request, practical advice, go research it and become a Rambo, okay? So love and luck and take care. I'm on jkapani@gmail.com, justhinkapani.im@gmail.com and justhinkapanioffice@gmail.com. So kick ass and have fun and enjoy. And a big cheers on a lovely cup of ginger chai that I've just had. It works really very well. And if you've got an upset stomach, or if you've got a bad throat, or if you've got a headache, or if you've got probably cough and cold because of the weather change and stuff, a good idea is to do away with junk and to keep some medicines handy and to kind of drink more of beverages like coffee and more of chai, because they really help you and stuff, okay? So love and luck and take care. Be a Rambo, be a rock star, kick it, live it, and share the idea. And be a team which is not just ideating and thinking, but they're more of doers and action people and stuff. So IIT, the colleges, embassies, and the startup forums and stuff, please think about this idea and looking forward to talking about it even more. So love and luck and take care, have fun and have a blast. Cheers, bye-bye.